What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares, tiny pieces of ownership in companies. When you buy a share in a company like Tesco or Apple, you own a small part of that business. Think of a share like a slice of cake. Owning one means you get a small piece of whatever the company earns. The stock market is where those shares are traded, and their prices go up and down based on what people think the company's worth. Some people call it the share market or equity market, but it all means the same thing, a marketplace for owning bits of businesses. Why does it matter? The stock market matters because it helps companies raise money to grow and gives regular people a chance to grow their own wealth over time. When a company needs funds, it can go public by offering shares on the stock market. People buy those shares, and the company uses the money to expand, hire workers, or build new products. For everyday investors, the stock market is one of the main ways to build long-term financial security. Over time, owning shares can help your savings grow faster than inflation. Over days or weeks, the market can be unpredictable, but over years or decades, it's historically rewarded patient investors. It also reflects what's happening in the world. Good news can send stocks soaring, while uncertainty can make prices fall. That's why it often features in the news, even if you don't own any shares yourself. Here's a simple example. Let's say a company called Fresh Fruit Ltd is worth £1 million and divides itself into 100,000 shares. Each share is worth £10 and you buy 10 of them. Now you own a small slice of the business, about 0.01%. If the company does well, more people want to buy shares and the price might rise to £12. You could sell and make a profit, or hold on in hopes it grows further. But if the company struggles, the share price might drop to £8. That means your investment has lost value, at least on paper. Some companies also pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders, called dividends, which can give you regular income as well as growth. This up and down movement is called volatility, and it's a normal part of how the market works. What else should you know? The stock market isn't one single place. It's a general term for all the buying and selling of shares that happens around the world. A stock exchange is the specific platform or location where those trades happen. For example, the London Stock Exchange, LSE, is one of the biggest in the UK, while the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and Nasdaq are based in the US. You can think of the stock market as the big system, and exchanges as the physical or digital places where the action happens. You can invest through platforms or apps that connect you to these markets, often called brokerages. These days, you don't need thousands of pounds to invest. Many platforms let you start with as little as £1. It's not gambling, but it's not a savings account either. The value of your investment can go up or down, so it's important to only invest money you won't need right away. While the stock market can help your money grow, it's not a guaranteed win. Prices can fall, sometimes sharply, especially in the short term. That's why most experts recommend investing for the long term, usually 5 years or more. It's also worth knowing that you don't have to pick individual companies. You can invest in index funds or ETFs, which spread your money across hundreds of companies, making things less risky. To sum it all up, the stock market is where people buy and sell shares in companies. It helps businesses grow and gives investors a chance to grow their money. It comes with ups and downs, but over time it can be one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. If you stay informed, invest carefully and think long term. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.